Guys, I am so pumped right now. I just spent like 3 hours and I created the latest, the newest version of the course through which we are going. I know that I already recorded this bigger course of mine like 3 or 4 weeks ago, but now I recorded an ultimate one, which is the simplest one, the shortest one, the fastest one to complete, and through which you're gonna be able to build your membership program. I really need you to start going through the steps of it right now. You need to start completing all of them. Link to the courses down below here, and I think you're gonna love it so much as I do. It's so simple, it's fast to complete too. It's like you create your membership offer really quickly, you write an offer description, that's how I designed it. You copy this offer description that you wrote into the Skool app that you're gonna be using for your membership or any other place, right? And then you just quickly create your mini course or so, and you start promoting it, and I teach you there the 3 steps of promoting it, like how to build a free community, how to build an email list with that, and how to get people upsold into your paid membership then as well, and how to start enrolling people, and another step, and so on. Like, it's awesome, okay? You gotta come watch it right now. Go through my materials. Let's go. And I'm looking forward to your feedback. Comment down below if you like it.